Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Security Checkup on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to run a security checkup, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just open Facebook here. I'm going to open my Facebook. And now once you are in Facebook, just click on the profile icon in the top right. Go to settings and privacy and then go to settings. Now here, once you are in settings, just go to account center. You can run privacy checkup from here, but I'm gonna use my password and security section, and then go to security checkup. Now here you can see some security recommendation like this where you're logged in. You just have to click on it. You can check your Facebook account where that's logged in. Here I have only a single device and except of my own PC or on laptop here. So just go back. Now here for the second one, you have to go to password section and go to Facebook, and from here you can try to change your account password. I'm not going to change my password, I have recently changed it, but you can try to use this password section to change your password. Then just go to contact info, and here you can check your contact information like your Gmails, your phone numbers. If you don't have your phone number yet, so you can try to click on this add a new contact and add a mobile number, so your mobile number will be added here. You can try to add your mobile number here. So once you are done, now here's the last option of create a passkey. You can try to use a passkey here, like your fingerprint or your password, your pattern or your pin to log in with your account whenever you try to search device. So using this way, you can easily use your security checkup on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.